You may have certain videos and media inside of your blogs, and you may want to view like what media or videos you may have. In that case, what you can do is you can go around in settings, and then you can scroll down, and over here what you can do is you can go around and view out the media. So let's just go around and scroll down over here, and you can see under manage blog, you can see that videos from your blog and media from your blog is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that I clicked on videos from blogs, so you can see all of the videos that you have uploaded in your blog. So you can go around and delete it, which deletes it out from your blog as well, or you can hit the download button right here to download out that media right here, just like this. So you can see that this is in an MP4 format, and you can download the media right here. So apart from that, you can see that videos is what I clicked on, but if I were to go around and click on media from your blog, then it opens up the media page right here with all of the medias, and you can see that I got some albums and pictures. So if I were to go around and click right here, then it shows up all the medias from the blog right here, that is the pictures, and you can go around and select them, or you can go around and delete them. Just like this, you can go around and delete out the media right here, just like this, or delete out the album. Or what you can also do is you can go around and click, and you can access the image that you have right here, and you can right click and save it out as well. And if you want to go around and isolate out the medias just like that, and then view out the medias and download them out separately from your blog, from Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.